In this video, I'm going to demonstrate from the driver's perspective how they're going to process their scheduled pickups through the Onfleet application on their smartphone. The process in which the driver is going to manage their scheduled pickups and manage collecting those assets is once they get to their destination or their pickup, there's going to be a barcode for the location of the specimens. They'll scan that. Once they scan that, they're going to actually scan the specimens themselves as well. They'll move on to their next location. They'll do the same thing until all locations have been picked up. They're going to head back to the hub. Where they drop those specimens off, there's going to be a barcode scan for the location, and then they'll scan the specimens again, showing that they've completed their route. So now I'm ready to start my day. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to toggle to go on duty on my application. My scheduled pickups are going to automatically upload and populate onto my screen here. And I also want you to notice that as the driver, Jared O'Connell, that's who I'm logged in as, my dot icon has changed from a gray to a green, showing that I'm now on duty. That's another visual cue for the dispatch to kind of understand or see what's happening in the field. I'm going to go ahead and start my first pickup, which is 1901 North Classen Boulevard. I just tap on that. It's going to give me a map of a location, location address, name of the location or the facility, and then the time frame or the window that I need to pick that asset in. I can click on the map, and that's going to give me step-by-step or turn-by-turn directions to that location if I'd like. And once I'm ready to start my route, I'll hit hold start. And now my icon's changed from that green to a blue, and the pin icon for that actual location has changed from a purple, meaning it's assigned to me, to a blue, meaning that I'm en route to that particular route. So again, the dispatch can kind of see that that driver is now en route to that next or to that actual location. Once the driver gets to the location, they'll hit tap to complete. They'll go into the facility where the specimens are actually located. That will have a barcode. They'll scan the barcode, and then they'll start scanning the actual barcodes on the specimens. So they'll take their photos and scan as well. And they can also add any notes as well. They select done, and now they've completed that particular pickup. All that information that we put in, the barcode scan, the barcode numbers, that's all being uploaded in real time to Customerwise. So on the back end, if you log in to or you go into that particular route incident, you'll see all of that information listed right there. So let me show you what that looks like on the back end in Customerwise. So I'm in the support work project. In the list view of the incidents, we've got the support incidents categorized in the client onboarding, client service requests, and courier routes, so we can kind of organize that a little bit better. We've got scheduled route incidents, and then we have child incidents on those scheduled routes that are the actual pickup locations. So if I look at incident 1418, daily route Mindy Branson, Mindy Branson's the driver. This is the route, scheduled route incident, and you'll see these child incidents underneath those. Those are the actual location pickups. So let's take a look at that scheduled route incident for Mindy Branson. And we'll take a look at our courier route details. You'll see it's uploaded a picture of the route for Mindy Branson. Now I'll go back to the links tab, and you'll see those child incidents, those actual route locations. Now if I click on one of those route locations, I'm going to get the details that were uploaded. So I've got expected assets, and then I have my delivered assets. My expected assets, that's collecting that data when the driver got to the location, scanned the location of the specimens, and then scanned the specimens themselves. And the delivered assets, that's when the driver got back to the hub and scanned the hub location and then scanned the specimens back in. So that completed that route. All right, and finally, I wanted to show you again the reporting feature that we have built in here to really give it that 100% traceability of your specimen pickups. At the end of the day, you run this report. It's going to populate all of your locations and all of your scanned specimens for each location. And it's going to show scanned versus delivered. Your scanned is your pickup, or when the driver actually gets to that location, scans the specimens, and then your delivered assets, where he gets to the hub at the end of the day and scan those in as completed. Those numbers should match up. If they don't match up, that means that there's a specimen missing. You'll see a full account of all of your specimens.